To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. A hero is no braver than an ordinary man, but he is brave 5 minutes longer. For every minute you are angry, you lose 60 seconds of happiness. Win as if you were used to it. Lose as if you enjoyed it for a change. It is one of the blessings of old friends that you can afford to be stupid with them. People don't seem to realize that their opinion of the world is also a confession of their character. The older you get, the older you want to get. We are always getting ready to live, but never living. Always do what you are afraid to do. Fear defeats more people than anything in the world. The only person that you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. The mind, once stretched by a new idea, never returns to its original dimensions. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. The love that you withhold is the pain that you carry. People destined to meet will do so, apparently by chance, at precisely the right moment. Make yourself necessary to somebody. The age of a woman doesn't mean a thing. The best tunes are played on the oldest fiddles. When it is dark enough, you can see the stars. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this one.